How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Black Bank Folk TV. We're delighted to be back with you. We're coming from the National Print Museum, which is in Beggars Bush in Dublin 4, and we're delighted to have been asked along. Surrounded by a lot of history and craft and artistry, so if we don't sound better than usual, I don't know what's wrong with us.
That's just the band.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. As a lot of you might know, we released an album in 2016 about the 1916 Rising. So we're going to play a couple of songs off that tonight, and the next two are off it. And it seems particularly relevant tonight because Beggars Bush was the barracks for the British Army during 1916. So happily we mention this place in the next song. This is called Messenger Boy. Going down. Tomorrow there'll be an Irish army marching in the town. McNeil has just refused them his backing for the fight. Of the leading men had just resolved to go prepare tonight. I'm a messenger boy from St. Andrews, too young for a soldier's part. They say I haven't got the years, but I know I'm a soldier's heart. I'll run throughout the frenzied streets at news in the battle scene. I'll be a link for the rebel men, be a bridge between the streams. Queenstown, and now they're on the march for a rendezvous at Beggars Bush before the shooting starts. The men are on Mount Street, hidden on the banks, with rifles at the Grand Canal to attack them from both flanks. The city, she is burning, the embers are aglow. People cowered in the streets, just hiding from the blow. Many blame the Shinners for the new distress, while others fan the growing flames rising in their chest. Dublin burns, smoke from the pyre goes over the city.